A lot of you are still losing money to futures trading, and that's because you don't know the basics of futures trading and you aren't trading it the right way. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to trade futures profitably. This video is going to be a practical one as I'll show you all of the steps to get started. Also, I have an important information for those that want free futures signals. So we basically tell you to buy and sell, and then we make money together. And for those also interested in technical analysis, I'll talk about that later in this video. So let's get started. Right, so the platform we are going to use is called AscendEX. This is currently one of the fastest growing crypto exchanges. If you don't have an account with AscendEX, I left my link in the description. Make sure to use that link to create an account. Alright, so this is the home page of AscendEX. The first thing to do is to deposit money in your account. You can see I currently have about $38.19 in this account. If you don't know how to deposit money in your account, I made a video about it and I'll leave a link to that video in the description. Right, so the next thing to do is click on wallet, and then I'm going to transfer this $38.19 to my futures account. So I'll click on transfer, and then I'll click on this margin account and change it to futures. Then I'll put in the amount, so I'll just click on, I want to use all of the money, then click on OK. And now my money has gone to my futures account. So next thing to do is to click on market and then click on futures. So right here, you can see all of the coins available in the futures market. First one here is BTC, USDT, next one is ETH, next one is 1000 Pepe, and all of that. So you can see all of the coins available on this platform. So let's start with BTC. So I'll click on BTC, and then it brings us to this page. So this gives you the chart of Bitcoin. Above here you have 15 M, which stands for 15 minutes. So each of these candlesticks stands for 15 minutes. We have 1H, which stands for 1 hour, and 4H, which stands for 4 hours. So you can see the market in different time frames. I can click on more to get other time frames also. So let's say I looked at these charts right now and I felt like this coin is going to go down. What I'll just simply have to do is to click on sell, and then it will bring me to this page. So at the top here you have multi-position. If I click on it, so there are different options. There's multi-position, there's hedgeway, and there's one-way mode. So personally I like it on one-way mode, so I'll just select it and then I'll click on apply. So it has been selected. Now the next thing is cross. You can see cross at the top here. So there's cross and there's isolated. So let me explain what it is. Now cross simply means, just like I have $38 in my futures wallet right now. Let's say I enter a trade with $10 for instance, and then that trade is going against me. If that trade goes against me till my $10 is exhausted, my trade will not close. Rather, it will remain open because I still have a balance of about $28. Remember, I have $38 total money in my account. So by the time you subtract $10 from $38, I'll still have a balance of $28. So I'll still be in the market until that $28 left in my wallet is exhausted. So if the trade keeps going against me up to the $28 left is exhausted, then the trade will automatically close. Now the next one is isolated. So isolated simply tells you that whenever I want to take a trade, use only the amount I'm using to enter the trade. So example, right now I have $38 in my account. Let's say I enter a trade with $10 again, and then the trade is going against me. I'll end up losing only my $10 and my remaining $28 will be safe. Unlike cross, where your remaining $28 could also get liquidated where the trade keeps going against you. So personally, I like to tell newbies to leave it on isolated. So click on apply. Alright, now the next thing is here you can find 200x. So if I click on it, this is called the leverage. You can extend it to any leverage of your choice. But one thing I advise newbies is, if you're getting started, just start with smaller leverage. Although leverage is not really a problem for me, because I basically use any amount of leverage, even as high as 50 or 75x. But before you can do that, you really need to know how to trade the market so you don't get burnt easily. So I prefer that you put it on 10x if you're just getting started. Then click on apply. Alright, so before we proceed to place this trade, I told you I have an important information, and here is the information. I have a free signal group where I share signals on what to buy and what to sell. So whenever you do that with me, we actually make money together. Actually, we're having a 30 days trading challenge where we are going to share signals for everyone for 30 days. And in that 30 days, we want to turn our $20 to $52,000. It looks actually impossible, but let me show you how possible it is. Okay, so you can see this Excel sheet we created right here. You can see our starting balance is $20. And whenever we take this trade, we're only risking 23%, which is about $4.6. And our profit target is just 30%. So we will make 30%, that's about $6. And you can see that we've actually started the first one. And we've made the trade actually went in our direction and we made that one. The second one also in our direction. So at the moment we are currently at $34. If I scroll down to 30 days, you can see at the 30th day we will continue making 30% of each of our trades. At the end of the 30 days we would arrive at $52,400. To make 30% is actually very simple. So we are going to guide you on how to do this. To partake in this trading challenge, you have to do two things. The first is go to the description. I left my link in the description. Make sure to use my link to create an account. When you're done with that, you need to fund at least $20 in your account. Then the second step is fill out a Google form link I'm going to leave in the description. In that form, you're going to put in your name, your Telegram username, and your AscendEX UID. So when you create your account, you can easily get your UID. So make sure to fill it out on that form. And when you're done with that, we will actually add you to the Signal group where we'll make money together. So right now we want to place a sell. Remember I told you we saw the setup, we saw that this Bitcoin will come down, although I didn't do any analysis, so this is just like a blind analysis. So right here you can see market. So there's limit, there's market, and then there's other options, conditional and trailing stop. So you can use any one of your choice. Let's start with limit. So limit simply tells this platform that I want to place my trade in a particular limit. So it's not like you want to place your trade in this current market price. Look at the current market price of Bitcoin is about $29,420. So you can say I want to place a sell from $30,000. So you type $30,000 and then come here, select this size. Then you can put it on amount here and then click on confirm. So now you're going to come here and then type in the amount you want to use to take this trade. So let's say $10, and then you can go ahead and place your sell. When you come down here, you can see that there's no position open, rather there's an open order which tells the market that please sell BTC at $30,000. Sell simply means you're predicting that the market will go down. So we are not currently in the position. This trade will get executed when this market gets to $30,000. That's when we'll be in the market. So this is simply what the limit does for you. So I'll cancel it and let me go back to explain market for you. So let me put it on market. Market is basically telling the market that please, I want to enter this trade at the current market price. So you put in the amount you want to use to take this trade. So let's say you wanted to use $10 to take this trade. So to get the amount you're going to put here, you're going to multiply it by your leverage. My leverage is 10x, which I selected here. So by the time you multiply $10 by 10, which is my leverage, that is 100. So that is what you're going to put here. So you can see at this sell region is showing me cost $9.97. So the next thing, after getting this, the next thing is to put in your stop loss and your take profit. So I'll put in my stop loss, I'll click on this and I'll put in my take profit. So I want to take profit at $29,000, and then my stop loss should be at $29,600. So I'll click on sell. So this simply tells the market that see, if this market goes down to $29,000, close this market for me in profit. And if this trade goes to $29,600, close this market for me in loss. So that way I don't get to lose all of the $10 in this market in case it goes against me. Alright, so if you understand that, the next thing is to look out for is the estimated liquidation price. Look at it. So in case I didn't even put stop loss, it tells me that when Bitcoin gets to 32,468.8, it would liquidate all of the money I used to enter this trade. I entered this trade with about $10.53. You can see that right away. Alright, and you can see my P&L return, which is about 0.25%. That's about $0.03. So in case you want to even showcase your profit, you can click on this arrow here and then you can see I'm currently at 0.47% profit. You can just save it or either share it with my friends to see that, oh, I'm making profit too from futures trading. So in case you're done with this trade, you can also choose to close the trade. To do that, just click on close and then you click on confirm. This would close the entire trade for you. So you can see that our trade is closed. So this is basically how to trade the futures market. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, for those interested in technical analysis, I left a link to my Telegram group in the description. In that group, we actually teach technical analysis, trading psychology, and risk management. You can actually join that group to learn all of these things for free. And don't forget to create an account with AscendEX if you don't have an account. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.